Hey YouTube, thank you for clicking on another video. Today we're going to be talking about my top gains in 2020 as far as the stocks primarily that I purchased in 2020 so far. I mean, we are almost halfway through the year and there's a lot that's happened this year. It's a little crazy, but the market itself has actually been doing overall fairly well, especially with a lot of the stocks that I own. And that's kind of a shocker, especially when you consider, again, everything that's going on. But I don't want to make this a long video. I just want to go over my portfolio, update you guys on how it's going. This week it was actually a pretty great week. It ended a little bit less than as far as where the highs were, but it was actually a pretty good week. So today's Friday. Hopefully it's out this video should be out either today, Friday, or if not tomorrow, Saturday. But without making this any longer than it has to be, I'm going to put my screen right here and we'll take a look. So real quick, I just want to let you guys know, if you guys want to start investing, I'll have links down below to sign up for both Robinhood and Webull. They're both amazing apps. I almost said stocks. Both amazing apps. And I do use Robinhood, and that's what I'm going to show you guys here in just a second. If you sign up, it is completely free for both of them. They are free to buy and sell stocks. You do not have to pay. Those right there, if you use Robinhood, you do get a free stock when you use the link below. Webull, then you'll get, I believe, 2 free stocks. They might be doing a promotion right now that's 3 free stocks when you sign up and you deposit $100 into your account. Again, links down below, check them out. But like I said, I'm going to show you guys Robinhood right now. So right here, I should show that my portfolio is at $16,256. The last time I made this video, I believe it was around $14,500, somewhere around there, maybe a little bit more. But I've been doing great. The market's been doing fantastic. Not to say it's going to keep going up, but it's looking pretty good, especially with opening back up and stuff like that. You do want to be careful, especially depending on how everything goes. But so far, so good, and the market pretty much does reflect that. Like, people are showing promise of things getting back or closer to normal. I don't want to say back to normal, but closer to more of a normal kind of situation out there. And the markets are definitely showing that. So as far as the day, I'm down $18 today, but after hours up 79. My week, I'm up $399. My 1 month up $1,700. 3 months, $2,000, about $200 there. 1 year, close to $6,000, and then overall $6,000, which is incredible, 58%. And this, I've been investing on this portfolio for about a year and 4 months. I want to say a year and 5 months. So that right there is pretty incredible, to be honest with you. And I'm going to show you some of the stocks that are actually helping this portfolio grow so rapidly, and that has to do with a lot of these stocks I've purchased recently. But without any further ado, we'll look at the first stock. So VICI is the first stock that I'm going to talk about as far as my gains go. This one's not anything too crazy, but it is definitely noteworthy. And I looked, as far as my notes go, I bought the first one January 14th, I bought 5 shares at $25. And then I purchased a few more as everything kind of unfolded throughout the months. And in total, I do own 30 shares, and my average at $16.36. So I did have about a $25 average when I bought the first 5, but I was able to average my stocks down based on it being a lower price and down to $16.36. And I'm only up 20%, but as far as doing this in less than a year, again, I'm trying to aim for at least around a 10% growth per year. That right there is already just something amazing. Again, this has to do a lot with the prices going down, being a lot lower, and then going up since everything's getting a little bit better. But right now I'm up 20%. I know that's just $100, but for, again, 20%, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. And that's VICI Properties. I'm definitely going to invest more in all of these. I'm going to invest more in, but I love this stock and they pay a pretty good dividend. I would definitely recommend looking into them. It is a REIT, an REIT, so you do get paid dividends, and they manage a lot of casinos and stuff like that, so definitely take a look at them. My next stock I'm going to talk about is Disney. I only bought 1 share when it was at $100 even. I wanted to buy him actually before like Disney Plus, and then it went up a ton after Disney Plus. Not a ton, but a good amount. And then they went down because, again, the whole situation that's going on now, and I got them at a great deal of $100. And with it being at 17, it's pretty easy, 17% growth. I know I just only bought 1 share. I wanted to buy more. I'm putting my money in a little bit of kind of other places, but I just wanted to own a share of Disney. I don't know why. I thought it was pretty cool, and I do see potential with their growth. Maybe not as high as some of the other stocks, but they are a fairly solid stock, especially with them also entering the streaming world. So that right there is just something that made it more enticing to purchase, especially at the $100 price point. And I don't think they pay, do they pay dividends? They do pay dividends, which is always a bonus and adds to my dividend portfolio. Now, the next one is a huge one that I talked so much about, and that is Save at Spirit Airlines. Oh, Spirit Airlines, there we go. And overall, I have 100 shares, which I am super proud of. I know that's overall not a ton of shares compared to a lot of people, but to me that is a lot. And as far as my portfolio, it's at 8.35%, which is a decent chunk of my portfolio. I'm up 22%, that's up $247, and I see nothing but potential and kind of it just going up from here. I know it's gonna take several years, but there is a lot of promise, and that is my Spirit Airlines growth. I doubt I'm gonna buy any more of necessarily Spirit Airlines just because I own so many right now. Probably gonna focus my money in a few other places as far as other stocks, but it's definitely a good gain as far as so far in the year. And the other one is going to be probably the best one that I have so far for 2020, and that's gonna be Norwegian Cruise Line. They're at $15.88. I own, again, another 100 shares of these. Super proud of that. And I'm up 43%, which is just crazy, and I don't see them stopping. I see it going up even more. I will definitely keep you guys updated. There's up $482, and this is close to 10% of my portfolio, but I am super excited to see kind of where it can go from there. And then as far as the last one is going to be Carnival Cruise Lines, and again, I've talked about this one several times. I did not invest as much as Norwegian and Spirit, but I own 20 shares. I'm up 42%, up close to $100, and that is going to be my other gain as far as buying these stocks in 2020. I definitely should have bought more, but I was really more focused on kind of like the underdog as far as when it goes with cruise lines, and it being Norwegian, since they are a smaller cruise line compared to Carnival, and I always forget what the other one is. Don't know, but I went with them just because of the price point and where I could see them going. I do see all of these stocks still growing even more throughout 2020 and for the next several years. And that right there are my top gains for 2020 and pretty much the stocks that I've purchased because of this whole situation. It just goes to show that you definitely want to pay attention to what's going on and how the market is reacting to certain situations and take advantage of it, and with buying these stocks at amazing prices. Now, I'm not going to say that this, anything could happen still with these stocks, especially if there is a second, kind of like shutdown. But I fully believe in these companies and what they're able to do, and so far, so good, but we will definitely take a look. I will keep you guys updated with more videos. I do have a big video planned for you guys about a whole dividend portfolio, how to set it up, give you examples, and even show you me purchasing a dividend stock. Make it pretty much from beginning to end to show you how to start investing as well. Again, if you want to, links down below for Robinhood, which is the app I just used. Super simple. I have other videos explaining or showing me actually purchase stocks on there, so you can see how easy it is. Again, link down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you guys want more content. I try to post a video at least once a week, kind of give you an update of either what stocks I'm buying, or an update on my portfolio, and a few other things of kind of what's going on in the stock market. But I'll see you guys in the next one.